Hey everybody, it's your realtor Lee Rindskopf with the Remax Traditions and the Lee and Company Home Group team. I wanted to show up today to give you guys a quick market update for this Q4 last section of 2024. Obviously, we are entering the holidays with Thanksgiving just a couple days away. I wanted to talk to you guys about the pros and cons of buying and selling during the holiday season. Basically, traditionally, the holiday season is going to be a lot slower. If you think about it, people don't really want to move in cold weather and don't really want the disruption of moving when, the holidays are already so hectic for most people. That being said, there are always people that need to buy and sell, whether it's convenient or not, and those people are still going to be in play no matter what. Most sellers are eyeing the spring market, and spring being like beginning of March for really real estate to start kicking off in full swing. And most buyers are looking to the spring market as well, just because there's more inventory and more options at that time. However, for buyers who don't also have to sell right now, it is actually a really good time to get some opportunities. Buyers looking during the holidays often find themselves with a lot more leverage to make a really good deal. These days, there's less inventory to choose from, but most of the listings that are on the market have been accruing days on market and are having little to no showings right now during the holidays. So maybe investors, first-time home buyers, this is a great time for you guys to find a house if you find one you love. No pressure in finding something during low inventory, but if you find something you love right now, your realtor could make you a great deal right now. So, there's other benefits to think about. There's year-end tax advantages that you can gather if you end up closing on something before the end of the year. There's a lot of pros and cons. And obviously with the sellers, aiming towards spring is gonna be when you have the most eyes on your listing. That being said, if your home is vacant or you're paying for 2 houses, that might be a wash if you choose to wait and continue to pay for an empty house, etc. So no matter what your situation is, you should definitely talk to me or a team member directly about your unique situation so we can really customize a plan for you for what makes sense. But I just wanted to pop out and let everybody know, what's going on right now this time of year. I will also mention that, while traditionally the holidays are slower, they're even a pinch slower than normal this particular year. So I'm really feeling a lot of pent-up demand from both buyers and sellers for the 2025 season. And like I said, pre-spring in real estate really starts March 1st, with March, April, May being your most primo, busiest times of the year. And June and July are also pretty good. Obviously, most families need to be in position for school systems by about the 1st or 2nd week of July. So that's kind of typically what we have coming up for our outlook. We're feeling really strongly that 2025 is going to come out swinging and be a great season for both buyers and sellers. But right now, in terms of seller's market, buyer's market, it's a little at parity for this Q4 of 2024. And it's really actually a great time to buy if you've been sitting on the fence. There's also tons of loan programs and packages right now that are really actually finalizing their fiscal year budgets, and you might be able to take advantage of that. 216-389-5389. Thanks for listening.